I can't see anything. There's nothing there. So that's a comment I hear all the time from my students. I can't see anything, there's nothing there. But we know there's something there because on this microscope slide, there are a bunch of muscle cells. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a microscope properly and effectively to see some pretty cool things. Firstly, you need to be familiar with the parts of a microscope so you know what I'm talking about when I go through the video. So take a look at this picture, pause the video and try to remember as many parts as you can. So first of all, take your microscope slide with your specimen on. My specimen is a bunch of muscle cells. Put it as central as you can on the stage and clip it in place so it doesn't move anywhere. Now, the next thing is to turn your light source on, usually a switch at the back. And now I've got a beam of light shining through my specimen so I can see it much easier. Now, a tip would be, firstly, turn your objective lenses so you have the smallest objective lens focused on the specimen. So in my case, this is a ×4 objective lens plus ×10 in the eyepiece, which gives me a 40 times magnification. Use the rough focus to find the image. Perfect. Once you've found the image on the smallest objective lens and it's really crystal clear, you're ready to move to the next objective lens, which is 10, or 10 times 10 would be 100 times magnification. If that's still not quite clear, just tweak the rough focus a little bit to bring it into view. Then, for the best one, this is the ×400 magnification. It's a 40 objective lens times 10 in the eyepiece. So this is going to be 400 times bigger than it is in real life. Very carefully, click that one into place because it is the longest lens, so you don't want to crash into your slide. And if you see that the image is there, but it's really blurry, that is when your fine focus comes in. And notice for the rough focus, I was moving the larger dial. On this microscope, the fine focus is not up here where you typically would see them. It's actually on top of the rough focus. So that might be a little harder to see there, but it's this smaller dial here. So I'm just going to tweak that until I get a really crisp image. And there you have it, some muscle cells. Now with the fine focus, this should only really be used on the highest magnification. That shouldn't be touched on any of the lower magnifications. So a quick recap on how to use our microscope. First of all, put your slide on the stage. Turn on the light source. Go to the smallest objective lens first. You can see mine's red. This is ×40. Move your stage up and down with the rough focus until you see the image clearly. Then move it up to the next objective lens, which is ×100. Mine is yellow. Now normally the image should be pretty crystal clear by then, but if it's not, just adjust the rough focus slightly until you get a good image. And finally, be very careful with the largest objective lens because it's so long. And you don't want it to crash into your slide there and break it. Now, this is ×400 magnification, my blue colour here. And what I might want to do if the image is not clear anymore is just tweak the fine focus very slowly. And then you should see everything down the microscope really clearly. So enjoy, have fun, and discover a new world down there.